welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are working with Viva Baby hair, and they sent me a 26-inch loose wave wig. It's 13 by 4 and the density of this unit is 180. I'm just showing you guys how it look after I bleached the knots and I rinsed it with warm water, and I did briefly shampoo it, but it wasn't nothing too major. So here I am cutting off her cap, and I am going to install this wig regular, so I am going to let you guys watch, and I'll just come in when I need to. So yeah, let me just be quiet.
Damn, I miss my niggas, but every time I think about them, that shit made me wanna kill them. We came up from the bottom, doing dirt inside them trenches. Them niggas bitches. Bitch, I'm solid. My skinny jeans came with a pocket rocket. These niggas they hate, cause when I got my bag, I ain't never drop it. You flex for hoes, but air on them bitches already taught me. You so embarrassing, all them girls like, boy, stop it.
So guys, the glue I will be using today is Boho Active, and this glue is really good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I actually really like this glue as well. So I'm going to use 3 layers of this glue. I didn't show you guys me applying all of the layers because I felt like that was pointless, but you want to add a layer and then wait till it dries completely clear, and then you'll add the next layer on top of that. Make sure you're not doing too much because it will make it look very cakey. So you want to use thin layers at a time.
This nigga's too close to me, cause my closest homies was all plotting on the low on me. I could've fucked your hoe, she got kicked out for annoying me. Like her ex in my vicinities. Two-tone Glock, make all the ops gon' walk it out. You pick the side, ain't nothing for us to talk about. They see I'm ballin', so they really hate me. Peace fuzz, you niggas so childish. Still broke, willing in your pocket. Fresh up on my sleeve, new bank, don't hit my line. Cause I ain't asking calls. Said you love me, you lied. And I'm too real to take the fall. My old homies ain't died. There's fate that got cut off. Can't look them in the eyes. But fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Ow. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Ow. My old homies ain't died. There's fate that got cut off. Can't look them in the eyes. But fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Ow. They got cut off. Can't look him in the eyes. But fucking we ball. 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 Damn. Fucking we ball. Yeah. Yeah. Fucking we ball. Poof. The way I watch money stack up, poof. Like magic, if a nigga wanna act tough, my shooters make him disappear like magic. The way she swallow me up, poof, made it disappear like magic. If a nigga test his luck, green light him, bet this shit turn out tragic. Oh, I been living like this, yeah. This shit ain't new to me. Got slugs covering all my teeth. Spin the bang roll now, all I gotta do is say cheese. Yo, her on her knees, right in front of me. Got 2 Glock 23s with a beam. Cause a nigga won't test me. Turn this to the World War 3. Before I let him bury me, I fuck on Parisian sheets, bitch. Rich nigga all this life for me, and if you ever think about leaving, better never lose no sleep. The way I watch money stack up, poof. Like magic, if a nigga wanna act tough, my shooters make him disappear like magic. The way she swallow me up, poof, made it disappear like magic. If a nigga test his luck, green light him, bet this shit turn out tragic. The money popped up like poof, high bank rolls in the wall since I was 15. We can fuck, but I never call you boo, I never settle down.
So for the excess lace that's up, I'm going to take my bottle and just rub it under there. I'm going to do one little thin layer so it can dry and I can just lay down the edges that didn't lay. You want to always make sure it's, you know, lace still up instead of doing too much glue, because you can't really, you know, fix that without taking it up and then putting it back down. So you rather be safe than sorry. So I always rather, you know, put less glue and then go as I, you know, cut the lace and all that extra.
Bitch, the way I watch money stack up, poof. Like magic, if a nigga wanna act tough, my shooters make him disappear like magic. The way she swallow me up, poof, made it disappear like magic. If a nigga test his luck, green light him, bet this shit turn out tragic. Don't hit my line, cause I ain't answering calls. Said you love me, you lied, and I'm too real to take the fall. My old homies ain't died, there's fate that got cut off. Can't look 'em in the eyes, but fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball out. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball out. My old homies ain't died, there's fate that got cut off. Can't look 'em in the eyes, but fucking we ball. Damn, I miss my niggas, but every time I think about them, that shit made me wanna kill them. We came up from the bottom, doing dirt inside them trenches. Them niggas bitches. Bitch, I'm solid. My skinny jeans came with a pocket rocket. These niggas they hate, cause when I got my bag, I ain't never drop it. You flex for hoes, but Aaron them bitches already taught me. You so embarrassing, all them girls like, boy, stop it. 4-4-2-2-3, good luck with you shooting me. You on a losing team, thankful you switched up on in my line. Cause I ain't answering calls. Said you love me, you lied, and I'm too real to take the fall. My old homies ain't died, there's fate that got cut off. Can't look 'em in the eyes, but fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball out. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball out. My old homies ain't died, there's fate that got cut off. Can't look 'em in the eyes, but fucking we ball. I can't keep bitch niggas too close to me, cause my closest homies was all plotting on the low on me. I could've fucked your hoe, she got kicked out for annoying me. Bye, bitch. Like her ex in my vicinities. Drop. Two-tone Glock, make all the ops gon' walk it out. You pick a side, ain't nothing for us to talk about. They see I'm ballin', so they ready to hate me now. Peace fuzz, you niggas so childish. Still broke, quillin' in your pocket. Fresh up on my sleeve, new bank, don't hit my line. Cause I ain't answering calls. Said you love me, you lied, and I'm too real to take the fall. My old homies ain't died, there's fate that got cut off. Can't look 'em in the eyes, but fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball out. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball out. My old homies ain't died, there's fate that got cut off. Can't look 'em in the eyes, but fucking we ball. Fucking we ball. Fucking we ball out. There's fate that got cut off. Can't look 'em in the eyes, but fucking we ball. 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 Poof. The way I watch money stack up, poof. Like magic, if a nigga wanna act tough, my shooters make him disappear like magic. The way she swallow me up, poof, made it disappear like magic. If a nigga test his luck, green light him, bet this shit turn out tragic. Oh, I been living like this, yeah. This shit ain't new to me. Got sauce covering all my teeth. Spin the bang roll now, all I gotta do is say cheese. Yo, her on her knees, right in front of me. Got two Glock 23s with a beam, cause a nigga won't test me. Turn this to the World War 3. Before I let him bury me, I fuck on Parisian sheets, bitch. Rich nigga all this life for me, and if you ever think about leaving, better never lose no sleep. The way I watch money stack up, poof. Like magic, if a nigga wanna act tough, my shooters make him disappear like magic. The way she swallow me up, poof, made it disappear like magic. If a nigga test his luck, green light him, bet this shit turn out tragic. The money popped up like poof, high bank rolls in the wall since size 15. We can fuck, but I never call you boo. I never settle down, never sell her a dream. Gotta match my hustle, wanna be on my team. My hoes, my they been do more shopping than me. Top flow, penthouse, had a gang of my hoes looking Molly on me. My stroke, cash out when I fucking.
When I lay my lace now, I use elastic bands because I see that it makes your lace lay super flat, like it melts it to your skin. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I mean once it's time to take it off. But as you can see, I'm using the mousse that I showed you guys earlier to mold her hair down into a middle part. Some people be commenting asking what is the mousse for. It's for you to lay the baby hairs, one, and to mold your hair in the desired, part. So if you want a side part, you will mold it in the side part, and if you want a middle part, you will definitely mold it in the middle part. And yeah, that's just how smoothly that goes. Right now, I'm about to just flatten her roots because we want it to lay flat. I use my Trina spray, and you can get that 10% off using my code AlexisJ. Whatever products I use for Trina, you can get 10% off, and you can just go check out more of my videos. I used all of her products damn near, like literally every last one. So yeah, y'all go tune into all of my rest of my videos and tell me how you like it. Period.
Don't hit my line, cause I ain't answering calls.
So guys, we are now coming to wait, and her hair came out flawless. Period. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Make sure you tune into my Instagram and subscribe, like, hit that bell. I love you guys so much. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. Make sure you tune into my next video. I will see you guys soon. Bye.